Xenomorph model for 3D printing is out for all Alien fans. The figurine can be printed with two head options, solid and with a removable transparent cap. The external bone structure is meticulously hand-sculpted, replicating the smallest details of the original design. Each tooth and jaw tendon was carefully designed and recreated with great precision. The Xenomorph's tough, horned armor skin has also been carefully crafted. The blade-like tail is one of the main elements of the scene.